The video you're about to watch is unfinished, it is unscripted, it is just autistic word vomit from my brain, to my mouth, to the microphone, to your face. I hope you enjoy this. I mean, I will refine this video at a future date, but this is the premise of the video that will come out in the future, but this is just, well, me. First we hydrate, then we educate about the storage capabilities of the internet. I received a fantastic TikTok which is going to make a very good video, and the question in this video was amazing, and I didn't think about it, which makes me sad. What is the storage capability of the internet? If you downloaded the internet, what size of device would you require to download all the data on the internet? In 2020, they did a very interesting study to answer that very question, but that is now null and void, and I shall explain it in a moment. In 2020, the internet, all of it, you would have required a storage device 64 zettabytes big. 1 zettabyte is the number 1 and then 21 zeros. 64 of these was the internet in 2020. And the reason why I said the 64 zettabytes of 2020 is a bit null and void is because a different part of that same study found out how much information on a daily basis we put onto the internet. The answer? 402 terabytes of information every day, meaning the 64 zettabytes in 2020 mean dick all. That could be 70 or 80, fuck it, 100 zettabytes of information flowing through the internet, because the internet doesn't have a central storage device, because it utilizes the storage of the devices it is bouncing on. The internet itself is essentially a light bridge. Information just traveling from device to device to device to device to device, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. That's all it is. That's what the internet is. But if you were to put a funnel, a junction on that bridge into a storage device, it would have to be zettabytes big. Woo!